Welcome to this video blog around business cooperation in the digital economy and connected world. We hope you enjoy it. Hello. In previous episodes of this series, setting up a business cooperation with another company in your ecosystem, we spoke about why could it be a good idea to cooperate with another to better help you to reach your business objective. We also discussed different type of relationships you could have in your ecosystem, and in the previous episode we spoke about a little bit more in detail about these different relationships. And in addition to your traditional insourcing of technology and maybe services into your product or offering, you could also add a reselling, you could add market cooperation and technology cooperation. So now you have made this investigation, and before you jump into a cooperation, it's good to, based on the finding of this investigation, to make a formal decision in your company, maybe even the board, on if you say we will do something, we will add a cooperation with another company. If you just do nothing, you don't have to do it, maybe just record it. But then you have to make a decision because it will impact other parts of your company, all parts of the company. So you need to understand what is it that why do you want to do this? How can you better reach your business objectives? And what capabilities do you have or capabilities you don't have? And what business relationship will you go for? And maybe if you haven't done this before, it could be a good idea to start with a market cooperation, because that will not put that many constraints or risks on your customer relationships and marketing, or your company name in terms of marketing. So, but you could also add reselling, but that requires a little more. So it's then time to, and unfortunately it's not yet time to start cooperating, because you need to prepare. We will discuss that in later episodes. Hope you enjoyed this video blog. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us at contact@handsonbusinesscooperation.com. Thank you.